Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're gearing up to unveil the ultimate lineup of impact drivers. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, having the right tool can make all the difference. From driving screws effortlessly to tackling tough materials, we've put the best impact drivers to the test. Get ready to amp up your toolkit with our top picks, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. DeWalt DCF885 C120V Max, a 1/4-inch impact driver kit. For those in search of robust driving power for constructing a garage or shed, the DeWalt 20V Max impact driver stands out as the ultimate choice. Catering to both professionals and avid DIYers, this tool boasts a formidable torque of 1,400 inch-pounds in lbs, coupled with a compact and lightweight design, tipping the scales at just 2.8 pounds. With such features, it easily secures its position among the premier options in the realm of impact drivers. Moreover, its cordless nature enhances convenience, while the inclusion of an ergonomic grip ensures superior control, complemented by 3 LED lights illuminating even the darkest corners. Being a loyal patron of DeWalt tools, my expectations were high for this 20-volt impact driver, and I'm pleased to say it didn't disappoint. The incorporation of a one-handed hex chuck facilitates effortless bit switching, accompanied by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery and charger for added convenience. Admittedly, the 1.5 amp-hour battery fell slightly short of my expectations in terms of longevity, providing just over 40 minutes of continuous usage. To optimize results, it's advisable to maintain a spare charged battery on hand, effectively doubling the runtime for extended tasks. Number 2. Black Plus Decker 20V Max Power Connect Impact Driver. Hailing from a company renowned for over a century for crafting top-notch tools, emerges the Black Plus Decker 20-volt cordless impact driver. While I've acquainted myself with many of Black Plus Decker's offerings, their impact drivers remained unexplored territory for me. However, my initial encounter left me pleasantly surprised by its robust power, boasting a torque of 1,375 lbs, alongside a remarkable rotation speed of 3,000 rpm. Admittedly, the driver does draw significant energy from its 1.5 amp-hour rechargeable battery, affording me only 30 minutes of consistent usage before necessitating a recharge. What struck me most about the Black Plus Decker impact driver was its exceptional comfort in hand, augmented by a non-slip rubberized grip that facilitated ease of use without inducing hand fatigue. Furthermore, with the battery installed, the driver's well-balanced design ensures stability during operation, with the weight evenly distributed between the head and battery compartment. However, I did encounter occasional instances where the chuck failed to securely grip the bits. This may have been attributed to user error, as I was testing at a relatively brisk pace, possibly compromising the secure insertion of the bits. Nevertheless, upon reinsertion, the issue resolved itself seamlessly. Number 3. Makita XDT 13118V Brushless Impact Driver Kit. The Makita lithium-ion brushless cordless impact driver kit emerges as the ultimate companion for tackling challenging tasks with ease, boasting formidable power. With a torque of 1,500 lbs and a rapid speed of 3,400 rpm, this tool is tailor-made for professionals spanning various trades such as HVAC technicians, electricians, and plumbers. Designed to enhance efficiency and effectiveness, this kit comprises the impact driver, a robust battery, a charger, and a durable bag for effortless organization and portability. The XDT 131 epitomizes strength and speed, effortlessly handling a myriad of tasks with precision. Despite its powerhouse performance, this tool remains compact and ergonomic, measuring a mere 5 inches in length and weighing just 3 pounds. With the aid of the long-lasting battery, fatigue is minimized, allowing for extended periods of comfortable and efficient work. Furthermore, its aluminum housing imbues it with unparalleled strength and durability, ensuring resilience even in the face of demanding work conditions. In essence, it stands as a potent, precise, and supremely convenient tool, destined to elevate the quality of your workmanship. Key features: powerful torque and high-speed capability, compact and lightweight design, quick and easy bit changes. Fast bit changes save time. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2853-20 Impact Driver. When it comes to top-tier impact drivers, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel stands head and shoulders above the rest. In our rigorous speed trials, it outperformed nearly all competitors, showcasing remarkable prowess. During torque strength assessments, it effortlessly handled a 300 feet lb wrench, adeptly loosening and tightening nuts onto 1/2 bolts welded to an I-beam. Thanks to its compact design, it excels in accessing confined spaces, offering unparalleled versatility. Moreover, the M18 Fuel boasts 4 RPM settings, including 3 variable speeds and 1 dedicated setting tailored for precision finish work. However, our primary gripe with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel lies in its battery life, which falls short of expectations compared to some of its counterparts. For those prioritizing extended battery longevity, upgrading to a larger Milwaukee battery or exploring alternative models with superior battery life may be advisable. If your projects demand prolonged battery life, the Cobalt XTR Max 24V emerges as a formidable alternative suited for the task at hand. Pros: super fast, phenomenal torque, compact, for RPM settings. Cons: mediocre battery life. Number 5. Populo 20V Max Cordless Impact Driver Kit. Look no further than the Populo 20V Max Lithium-ion Impact Driver Kit for all your fastening needs. Crafted to perfection, this robust tool caters to both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals alike. Powered by a formidable 4-pole motor, it delivers an impressive torque of 1,770 nlbs, excelling in precision work such as screwing and tightening nuts. Its versatility shines through with variable speeds, reaching up to 2,900 RPM, ensuring it can tackle a wide array of tasks with ease. Equipped with a quick-release 1/4-inch hex chuck, swapping out bits is a breeze, enhancing efficiency and convenience. The included 2.0 Li-ion battery boasts exceptional longevity, allowing for uninterrupted work sessions. Despite its compact size, this kit packs a punch, significantly enhancing your fastening endeavors. Serving as your trusted companion, it seamlessly combines power, versatility, and ease of use into one sleek package. Moreover, when it's time for a recharge, the included fast charger ensures your battery is swiftly restored to full power. With built-in LED work light and a convenient belt clip, precision and ease of use are guaranteed, even in tight or dimly lit spaces.